It's a 2019 Audi A7. Why chase trends when you can create them? This car takes the lead with passionate performance and confidence that sticks. And 2019s mark a complete redesign, including the chassis, body, engine, and quattro powertrain. They also include mild hybrid electric vehicle technology. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated leather bucket seats, refrigerated box located in the glove box, power rear spoiler, intercooled turbo V6 engine, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and auto-shift manual transmission. Beauty, grace, exhilaration. This A7 is a completely original piece of street art. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today. At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on 1141 Cobb Parkway Southeast in Marietta, Georgia.